As of August 2022, Exness has hundreds of thousands of active clients and trillions of dollars in trading volume. The broker provides its clients with access to a wide variety of assets, including forex, cryptocurrencies, metals, energies, and more. The distinguished broker also offers a range of account kinds to accommodate the unique requirements of each trader. Regulation. Exness holds brokerage licenses in the United Kingdom, Cyprus, Seychelles, South Africa, BVI, Curaçao, and Sint Maarten. In short, Exness is regulated by the FSA, CSEC, FCA, FSCA, and FSC. Exness provides a variety of account opening alternatives. The type of account is determined by the trader's needs and level of professionalism. The main differences are the size of the spread, the minimum deposit, and the leverage standard. This is the most popular type of account, suitable for any trader. The minimum deposit is $1. The spread size is from 0.3 pips. Standard cent. A cent account, suitable for novice and experienced traders to practice strategies. The minimum deposit is $1. Spread is from 0.3 pips. Raw spread. A raw spread account is the lowest spreads with fixed commission of up to $3.50 each side per lot. The minimum deposit is $500. 0. This is a professional account with zero spreads over 95% of the trading day. The minimum deposit is $500. The commission is from 20 cents each side per lot. Pro. An account for professional traders with an immediate type of order execution and no trading commission. The minimum deposit is $500, and the spread is from 0.01. Leverage. Exness allows all account types a leverage of up to 1 to 2,000. Before opening a new account, all instruments and features can be tested on a demo account. Click on the link in the video description to check it out. Withdrawal options and fees. Exness guarantees the withdrawal of funds at the request of the trader without restrictions on the number of transactions. Currency input and output is available 24/7. Exness Broker carries out an instant withdrawal of funds through the following payment systems: Visa/MasterCard, Bank Card, Perfect Money, Web Money, Neteller, Skrill, and more. Withdrawal of funds through Yandex Money is carried out within 24 hours. With Bitcoin, withdrawal can take up to 4 hours, and through Tether, up to 72 hours. Trading platforms. Platform options for traders include MT4, MT5, multi-terminal, and web terminal. Owners of smartphones can use the mobile platform by downloading the application. Exness MT4 is a great option for trading forex. A roundup and free analytics are offered by the broker. In the training section, you can view weekly reviews and webinars too. Customer support. Exness Broker provides traders with 24/7 customer support. Customer support contacts are in the personal account. In comparison to other forex brokers, Exness Broker consistently ranks at the top in the EU, South Africa, and New Zealand. In order to satisfy consumer needs, the organization places a high priority on the adoption of modern technology. No matter what kind of account is opened, every user has access to a full set of tools. Exness also develops new trading instruments that give traders even more chances to make money. You can trade currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, metals, equities, and energy today on the Exness website. Click on the link in the video description to get started. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and see you next time.